Hello everyone, today I will show you how to stream on Facebook with OBS Studio, and here's how it is done. First, open Facebook and go to the URL bar, then type facebook.com/live/producer and press enter. Scroll down and click go live. You'll need to select a video source. By default, it will choose your webcam, but we want to use OBS as our streaming software. Copy the stream key provided here. If you want to access advanced settings, you can click on advanced settings, but we don't need that right now, so you can collapse it. Now disable the camera and microphone access for your browser so you can use OBS default camera. Minimize the browser window and then open OBS. In OBS, under the sources section, click the plus button and select video capture device. Choose your integrated camera, the default PC camera, and click OK. Then add another source by selecting Media Source. Browse for a video file and click OK. To arrange your sources, drag the video capture device so it sits above the media source. Resize the video and media source as needed. You can also add more sources such as display capture, game capture, or image depending on what you want to stream. For this demo, I'm using just these two sources. Next, make sure the audio is working for both your microphone and media source. To set your microphone, click the three dots next to it. Go to Properties and select your default microphone. You should now see your microphone audio working. To check the media source audio, click the three dots next to it. Go to Advanced Audio Properties and set it to Monitor Only. You should hear the media audio. Once everything is working, you can turn off the monitor and close the settings. Now go to OBS Settings by clicking File, then Settings, and choose the Stream tab. Set the service to Facebook Live and paste the stream key you copied earlier. Click Apply and OK. To start streaming on Facebook, just click Start Streaming on OBS. Then go back to Facebook, add a title for your stream, and click Go Live. You should now be live on Facebook. To stop the stream, return to the live producer on Facebook and click End Live Video. Then, in OBS, click Stop Streaming. And that's everything you need to know about how to stream on Facebook with OBS Studio. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.